What's up, everyone? It's Rick here with UTV Source. I'm kind of excited because Justin from Shock Therapy brought out a brand new Maverick R with all the bells and whistles. So what do you got?
You know, Rick, this new platform with the Maverick R is pretty incredible. It's a giant step up from where everything was in the UTV space. And we want to come to market as fast as we can with spot-on products that actually show off what this vehicle is capable of doing. With this vehicle coming out at 2,250 pounds, it's a lot larger. We need to step it all up. The joints are larger. We're going 3/4 inch rod ends, heavier on all the materials. Jam nuts are larger just because it needs to put up with the weight and the abuse that we know it's going to see.
All the load, all the leverage, heavier machine, bigger parts.
Exactly. So we're here to step it up just for those reasons.
So speaking of stepping up the game, most of the parts in the industry when it comes to radius rods and sway bar end links are 60-61. What do you got?
You know what? We stepped it up from there and went straight to 70-76. It gives you the same strength, very, very similar to chromoly.
Okay.
So it's quite a bit stronger than any of the 6000 series aluminum. Everyone adds weight with their accessories to these things, and then they ride too low, sit where the shock doesn't work very well. So our dual rate spring kits cure all of that. Higher quality material that doesn't sag and settle, covers all the accessories that you're going to add to the vehicle, gives you the ride height and puts the shock right where it wants to run in that bypass zone that's perfect ride quality. There's another thing that goes along with ride heights. As you start to add accessories and you maybe bring the vehicle back up, especially out here in this beautiful country where we're doing some rock crawling and dropping the tire off the backside of a boulder, extension clunk is a really important thing that you have to cure. That clunk is basically the shock stopping everything at the very last bit. And when we start adding 35s, 37s, big heavy wheel and tire packages, the factory shock package can't hold it up and you'll end up tearing the shock apart. So
a lot of weight.
It is. And we've developed limit strap kits that you see on this vehicle right now that stop that extension clunk, completely adjustable so you can stop it right at the right moment, no matter what wheel and tire package you've got on your vehicle.
Now the standard's 32, 33, 35, 37s.
That's right.
It's a lot of weight.
It is. You know, a 50-pound wheel and tire package used to be heavy. Now we see 70, 80-pound systems all the time.
Per corner.
Exactly. And people wonder why they start gaining some noise over the factory setup. So limit straps cure that. It should be the number one thing you do if you're rock crawling once you've got a spring kit on it.
Yeah.
But things that are coming are really going to step this vehicle up. Electronics that are in the area of ride height on a button, sway bar systems that are computer controlled and ECU connected to all the sensors in the vehicle, so that when you come out to this rock crawling events, you can turn them off. But when you go desert racing, you can allow it to bring sway bar in and out as needed. These things are all being worked on right now and will be coming out next year as quick as we can roll them out.
No tools required.
No tools required, man. It's as easy as hitting a button and choosing the mode. This stuff is coming. I know it's hard to believe, but it's been tested for the last few years, and we're basically ready to drop it on this vehicle.
So there you have it, Shock Therapy bringing tech with their parts, and soon to come, push button, toolless sway bars.
That's right. It's coming.
Rad, man. But Justin, I appreciate it. I can't wait to see this out on the trail. And on that note, guys, remember, check us out at utvsource.com, and we can get you anything you need from Shock Therapy.